Before you do your wedding in any church in Nigeria, there are two things you should take seriously. Don't joke with it. Find out these two things before you go ahead with that wedding in that church. Number one, whether that place of worship, that church, is licensed to conduct your wedding. Yes. Do they have the license to conduct your wedding? If they don't go ahead with that wedding in that church. Under our law, any wedding that is conducted in a church that is not licensed is void. Like, the law sees it as though there was no marriage. Like, you didn't conduct any wedding. You didn't have any wedding. That's how the law sees your marriage. So avoid that mistake. People make that mistake a lot. They just see a church and they want to go and do their wedding, except you don't mind. Except you don't have a problem with it. You just want to wait in the church. Then no problem. Number two, the kind of marriage certificate that will be issued to you in that church. Don't play with it. Ensure that that church issues you a valid certificate of marriage that is from the registry, from the marriage registry, and not just the church marriage certificate. Please don't make that mistake. It is very, very serious. Many people are still making this mistake till today. They don't even know the difference between the certificates. They don't even know the difference between the church certificate of marriage and the one that is issued by the registry. And they don't even know the effect of each of them. Please don't make that mistake. The fact is that some churches in Nigeria don't even have the license to conduct marriages. They don't have the license to officiate weddings. Yet they are doing it, and people are falling victims. They don't know. It's not their fault. They don't know. They just think that every church can conduct weddings. So don't go and just do any wedding in the church and then come out and expect a benefit or privileges that someone who wait in the registry is enjoying. You're not going to get it. So do your findings, ask questions, be smart, okay? Don't just let anyone tear anything and give to you as marriage certificates. Use your sense. I hope this helps.